better way to do this. This is mounted to my dash cam, but I mean, the things keep breaking off and I have all these command strips in here thinking that it's gonna stick, but they do this, they just break off. So I don't know a different way to mount this on the windshield, I guess. I mean, I have it routed down this pillar here and like down through here and under the seat or under the carpet here, I think. And then it just routes into here. But there has to be a better way to keep this cord up here. I was gonna do like 3M tape, or like a double-sided tape or something. If you have any ideas or if you have a different setup like this, just let me know and help me get this resolved, because damn, bro, it is cold and I don't think I have any heat. My thing's out again. Come on. Bro, why are you like this? Come on, help me out here. I don't want to put air in my tires in this cold ass 40-degree weather. No, for real though, I need to get this control panel fixed. Big spring and summer coming up, and if that doesn't work, I am screwed for the summer. But I guess that just means top-down weather, to be honest. So can't complain. What does this say? That's pretty low, but I think I'm gonna ignore that because last night it said the same thing, but it went up to like 28 psi, which I think I put like 30 in the fronts, 30 or 32. I think I do 30s though. I think I do 30s all around, but I don't know. Nope, see, look, it's already at 24. We'll just let the tires warm up and then we'll be good to go. Bro, I need a heated steering wheel for real. I've had some people ask me about this. This came with the car. The previous owner left this cover on the car. I mean, it's all cracked and stuff, but you know, my hands are usually like dirty and oily, so I figured I would just leave it on to protect the steering wheel itself, because I mean, it's old. I mean, I'm sure it's good quality, but you know, I don't want to risk it, because then it's gonna look like, well, you can't tell, but it's gonna look like this or like this, which I need to get this replaced too, or clean it. A lot of people say to clean this with like lemon ammonia or some shit like that. So one day, I'll do that one day. I swear I don't drive this car as much as I used to, but we're gonna change that this year, I think. Anyway, Happy New Year, guys. Thanks for watching another video. We are going solo again. Always going solo, hence the name. What are we doing today? I have no idea. I am probably gonna hit up a couple car meets and probably hit up Justin's shop, see what he got going on. Last time I was there was an Audi R8 getting PPF'd. Well, you know, we had to sit in traffic. Oh, hello. I need to get one of those. Yeah, so I went ahead and got one, and I'm getting it PPF'd right now. But these headlights are so clean. Like, this is such a nice looking headlight. Like, this car is so crazy, bro. But yeah, the hood's getting wrapped on this one, and it's like a nice like Nardo gray almost. Yeah, I've never been back here before, like under a C8, but the engine bay is pretty clean. Like, all of this looks pretty clean. Yeah, cleaner than mine. But this wing, I'm really fucking with the wing. And this is stock. This is like from factory, like a double wing almost. And then you come down to the diffuser. I don't think that's carbon, but it's still sick. Yeah, but that's clean. That's clean. I gotta get one of these. Like, I really gotta get one of these someday. Man, that looks easy to work on too. I also didn't know these had a trunk, and that looks like a lot of space. I could put like a good 2 suitcases in there and a couple golf clubs. And the body lines on this car are super nice, like this giant side vent. I love this car. And then we got the interior, the whole fighter jet cockpit looking thing. It's really nice. Seats are really nice. I'd put some of these in my C5, but these things are like $3,800 like per seat or something. And the R8 is still here. I don't even think they really started working on it yet, but I mean, I'm always happy to see it. But look at what's under here. You see that? Yeah, you see that? That thing is crazy. That's why he bought it. That's why he said he bought it, just because of that. But, you know, carbon diffuser, I think it's Vorsteiner, yep. And then a carbon wing. I think it's a Vorsteiner wing too. I don't remember. But he got a pretty good deal on that. So, but yeah, this thing is clean, man. Like, I gotta get one of these someday. Someday. I don't know what that is. Not a clue. But yeah, it's clean. I really like these. Like, someday. Oh, this thing, I gotta get one of these. I definitely have to get one. Oh, these are Rohanas? What? I don't think I saw those on here last time. They're still working on this. I don't think they really got too much done. It doesn't look like they got much of anything done. I think they were in the process of like cutting the bars off. Yeah, these. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with this. But this thing's clean. Got big wheels in the back. This big wing they took off, I think they're gonna try and put that back to stock too, because the wing was gigantic. It's in here somewhere. Two cars that I definitely want someday. Oh, I found the wing. This is it right here. It's a fully carbon fiber wing. So let me go around here. And here's my hand for scale. Like, it's gigantic. Gigantic. And probably heavy. And they just took it off of this. Oh, and this wing, this was the new wing. This is the old wing for the R8. It's like 2 times bigger, I think, or something like that. I did not see these wheels last time I was here, I don't think. And I have no idea what these are. Not a clue. Oh, these seats. These seats came out of the Porsche too. I haven't heard of that brand, but these are clean. Nice and sturdy, heavy. Very heavy. Nice seats. But I already know out of both of these cars, I know which one I'm taking. Actually, out of all 3, I'm taking the R8 every single time. No questions. All right, we got the whole squad outside for real. I think I'm about to go ahead and head out to this car meet that's going on later tonight. And we'll see how that goes. It's a little cold outside, but I think we'll manage. But this G right here, this thing is clean. And he has this like Nardo gray type of wrap going on. And then it just fades to black. Look at that. That is crazy. And then the wheels, man, this is clean. I think I could pull something off like this on my car. I think. Is that closed? Yeah. Weird. Okay. But yeah, I think I could pull something like that.